Buenos dias, Zé. Como é que nós estamos, meus? Zé, não tem estado fácil. Estas depressivas todas malucas. Já foi embora uma, está cá outra. Bom, deu para aproveitar agora. Ainda apanhei solinhos, Zé, pelas costas. Top! E então se bota a fazer aqui uma voltinha. Zé, para ali está escuro, parece que andar a queimar borracha. Vai dar molho, vai, mas também não era a mesma coisa se não desse, Zé. Vamos aproveitar enquanto não caem umas pingas, para desfrutar ainda mais quando caem pingas. Meia volta à tartaruga e bota para casa. Zé, a festa acabou rápido. Já está a cair Granizo. Filha da mãe. Eu tenho que ir para ali, que é o que está mais... É o que está mais limpado o tempo, Zé. Este lado estava... Olá. Este lado está muito escuro. E já levei com umas pedrinhas de seraiva. Seraivada. Granizada. Uma cena dessas. De esqueletos, eis. Está demais para da praia.
Spartans! Prepare for glory!
Hey, yo, holy fish.
Hey, you next! Where you at? Spartans never retreat. Spartans never surrender. And by Spartan law, we will stand and fight.
Right, left, then left, right. I seen him stutter word. He didn't duck and got stuck with your uppercut. Now hear the crowd screaming. It's like they fiending. Oh, don't you love how that black man swing? We keep it real. Tell Holyfield he next in line. So get his heart problem check before he step to mine and sell it. I hardly know you. Don't bother me to show you. Let your hand get gas by that fast promoter. Be real forever. So feel my lever in combinations. Connected like Dr. Dot in steady formation. Swift and deadly. Cause this be deadly. I'm a soldier. It's too late now. I tried to told you. Get it on. Let's get ready to rumble. Yes.
And oh no, the 300 Spartans gave their last breath to defend it.
We at now. We at now. So what you want? What you let's have ready? What you want? Let's get it on now. So what you want?
Spartans, prepare for glory.
Hey, yo, holy fish.
Hey, you next.
A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life. Go out and battle, and you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and five, capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future. We all start losers. For everyone internally, I had some people burning me, but now they think you learn to see. I ain't the one that found a quit. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me. Respectfully, you can kick rocks if you think your five's better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10".
We at now. We at now. So what you want? What you let's have ready? What you want? Let's get it on now. So what you want?
Spartans, prepare for glory.
Hey, yo, holy fish. Hey, you next. All they see is black venom in my silhouette. Just watch the fear reappear in their eyes when I hit the set. Oh no, Tupac with team tights and seldom was seldom seen. Iron Mike sail his head like a guillotine. Time for some action. You making me hot like Tony Braxton, Buster switching like Dennis Rodman. We still mashing. I put my hand up to God like this heart filled with stress. Throwing blows in this square circle to see who's best. Mike don't hurt him. What they scream, wait, what they mean? Tyson put in work, his head touched the whole Coliseum. Better act up when I see him. We loud in the front row, hype up the crowd. If you don't like it, what you come for? All hell, too fortified to fail the bad start. Ass kicker, split the water like a shark stare. Still struggling, may God help me bubble. Hit the ring, do my thing, all the bones feel trouble. We at now. We at now. So what you want? What you let's have? Ready? What you want? Let's get it on now. So what you want? Spartans, prepare for glory.
Hey, yo, Holyfield.
Hey, you next. We at.
There is no glory to be had now. Only retreat or surrender or death.
But that's an easy choice for us, Arcadian. Spartans never retreat. Spartans never surrender. Let each among them search his own soul. We at now. We at now. So what you want? What you let's have? Ready? What you want? Let's get it on now. So what you want? Spartans, prepare for glory.
Hey, yo, Holyfield.
Hey, you next. We at.
I'm with you, nigga. You don't need nobody. I'm with you, nigga. Come on, nigga. What's up? Looking at me through the window. Come up in here and say, yo. Yo, West Coast right now. Word the mother.
I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the funk, but I don't think they know it. Straight to the depths of hell is where them cowards going. Well, all you still damn nigga, holler when you see me. And let these devils be sorry for the day they finally free me. I got a caravan of niggas every time we ride. Hitting mother devils up when we pass by. Until I die, live the life of a boss player. Cause even when I'm high, think with me and get crossed later. The future's in my eyes. Cause all I want is cash and things. And 5 double O, bands wantin' flashy rings. Bitches pursue me like a dream. Been known to disappear before your eyes, it's like a double lean. It seems my main thing was to be major. Paid the game sharper than the motherfucking razor blade.
Don't ever in your life try to knock the truest. I spit the illest shit ever been dropped into it.
We got 4 niggas and low riders and ski masks screaming thug life every time they pass. Little life of a thug nigga till the day I die. Little life of a boss player. All eyes on line.
Yo live right now. Never was a thug, just infatuated with ones. Never was a gangster till I graduated to one. And got the rap of a villain, the weapon concealing. Took the image of a thug, captured a villain. Willing to stick out my neck for respect if it meant life or death. Never lived to regret what I said when you meet. People just wanna see if it's true, if it's you. What you say in your raps, what you do, so they feel it's part of your obligation to fulfill when they say